got his shirt tucked in, so even though his jacket's up, ain't nobody seeing his meow meow cooch. Damn, boy! That tire thick, boy! That's a thick ass tire, boy! That's how it goes, right? That's a thick tire, dog. That is one thick tire on that motorcycle. I guarantee you that dude's chin gone, man. That dude's chin is gone. That dude's chin is gone. Cause it is cold in a mug. For me, his chin is gone. My bad. Use a mother blank. My bad. I'm not gonna try to curse. I'm trying to build character, man. I'm trying to build character. Ooh, Cadillac, you got a little oomph? Why don't you make a U-E and test out that oomph with me? Man, I was about to point out a Corvette again. Man, you keep making U-E's. Be on the same side as me so I can take you down. That dude, you chinless, homie. You chinless. It's cold. Get a mug. And you not even wearing a full helmet, dog. I'm over here wearing a full helmet and I'm gone. And I'm gone. Sir, if I don't see a supercar, then I will need to use you as a thumbnail, or you or your homie as a thumbnail. So, yeah. So if, oh! Look at this boy! He's a thick boy, but look at it! You got them boots and everything, man. You got them boots and everything. You got them boots and everything. Saw that? Got them boots. He looking all spicy for his girl. I think he's going to go clap some cheeks. He hasn't clapped them yet. He's going to go clap some cheeks. Come on, dude, pop up here. Look at the homie. He's got a matching belt and everything. Haha, thick boy. Where you going, huh? You think he's clapping some thick cheeks? Nah, I don't think so. But how many girls are into boots or shoes or things like that? I don't know if it's cowboy boots. By the way, I can tell cowboy boots like anything, but I never wear them hoes. I ain't about that life. Wait. Yeah, buddy's wearing cowboy boots. Cowboy boots that match his belt. And he's over there making his way to clap some cheeks. I respect that, man. Dressing your best, popping up with that thick tire. He's in the thick ones. The V4S. I think it was just a V4 though. I don't know, it was an S. I couldn't tell the forks. Takeout, delivery, groceries. So this area right here is supposed to be under lockdown or shelter, or I don't know, this part of Mexico is doing some weird stuff. I don't know exactly what. It's closed, or I don't know, some weird stuff is happening, but everyone's still out. People are protesting it. There's like a curfew in place. Like, it's all some weird things. But none of that stuff matters to us though, because we're not doing anything that really bothers anyone. We're just out here riding, doing our own thing. I only get off the bike in a secluded location to take my helmet off and eat my meal, which we have in our backpack, and I get back on the motorcycle and going bish, we going on out. Oh, we got the thick boy, and we got Chinless and thick boy. Man, I need to see that tire though. I was gonna say tire, dog. I like your exhaust tip. That looks cool. Uterus. His exhaust tip has like lines within them. Looks really cool. It's like serrated. Nah, but that boy got a thick tire. He has his jacket open a little bit, so the air is going in and puffing up his jacket, so he looks really buff. But he's like hello. So I don't know, boy, is you on them roids? Is you cycling, homie? Ah, he did some tricep action, some tricep pull down action. I like that, man. I respect that. Look at that thick tire, man. Look at that thick tire with them boots. He got his shirt tucked in as well. He's got his shirt tucked in, so even though his jacket's up, ain't nobody seeing his meow meow cooch from the back. It's all covered up. I like this guy, man. I just want to see what cheeks is he slapping. That license plate kind of ruins it though. It's kind of curved and stuff. It don't look good. If it wasn't there, he would look awesome, because that white really throws off his style right now. I think he has a cap under it, and then he has his helmet on top of it. Plus his Harley's not too loud. What is that? It looks nice. I'd F with this Harley, or if it's a Harley or a cruiser. Oh, that bike also has a serrated exhaust tip, but from the outside. Yeah, it's a Harley. Harley Davidson. He has a cap on, he got the helmet on. But is he better than your boy? Hell no, homie. Swag's dripping endlessly. understand how the game goes. Make it hit me with the top Making millions, homie, top that. See, he's dressed for success, I understand that. I totally understand that. But your homie's dripped out M Series X5. Your homie's dripped in sexy juice riding gear, looking like a freaking superhero. And plus, I'm pretty sure his boots are made out of animal skin, which we ain't for that, man. We for them animal hoes. Don't be killing them animals just for your goddamn shoes and belt, homie. Just saying, homie, just saying. Riding and saying. Is the dude ready to turn to clap them cheeks, or he gone? I think he gone. Oh, I think he gone. Why do I talk like that? Why can't I talk proper? I hope he's not gone. I would like you, sir, to lane split and I follow you. So I get that back shot, that money shot, that good shot. I don't know where to go. I don't want to go home. Not yet. Yeah, I'm not hearing them engine noises, homie. Them fools turned. Or them fools crashed. I doubt they crashed. She's a maniac, maniac, She twerking that booty like she's never twerked it before. She's a maniac, maniac, Hey, Chica! Hey, Chica! From the side mirror, you ain't look at that cute to be pulling off a move like that. You don't overtake me like that if you ugly ass. You don't overtake me like that if you ain't got them looks to overtake me, dog. Even if you was a Chica. Pretty sure that is like super bad for the engine. Nimbus! Forgive me. Use a mother effer. Oh! This chick's matching boots and everything. Nah, she's one of them old chicks, but trying to look young with the Botox, and she probably left the surgery table to go to another surgery table before she gets them cheeks clapped at night. So yeah, I pass on that, man. I pass on that. I'm okay with them surgery stuff, but man, don't show me a fake face. I ain't about that. That's no. Ooh, what is this? Candles. Them candles be lit. No, they're not. Some of them are, not all of them. Man, it smells so fresh like a mug, man. It's fresh like a mug. Ooh, we got short shorts on a very old man, chick, boy. Oh, God. Eyes! Brain deceive me. Making millions, homie, top dead. Rolls Royce, man. We got a youngin' in that Rolls Royce, too. We got a youngin' in that Rolls Royce. Ah. Man, who you taking them roses for, homie? Who you bringing them roses for, huh? Who you bringing them roses for? Either you made a chick mad, or you trying to, you know, bump some bellies, bump some bellies tonight during this COVID stuff. It's not suggested. Sir! Move to the side, damn it. You see how homie trying to pull through? Pop through? See, ain't nobody can tell me that my exhaust, or they couldn't hear me, they couldn't see me. No. This exhaust burns my ears off, alright? My eardrums are melted from the inside. Everybody hears me, homie. Man, I haven't launched this bike in such a long time. Like a proper launch. Like off the line, really trying. I haven't done that yet in a while. I want to sit, I want to get my position in, butt in the air back. That perfect little dip. Like Nicki Minaj. And then a Cardi B kind of dip. You got to be a stripper to know that dip. That's the thing. You got to be a stripper to know that dip. That real nice dip. You looking at me, he liking it. He's smiling, I give him the nod, his smile got bigger. That's the love that I spread. Alright? We ain't spreading the virus here, we spreading another kind of medicine up in this hole. We spreading smiles, homie. Making millions, homie, top that! I want to clown on somebody so bad. X7 M Series. Lost it. We'll try again, wait. Man, I had one more notch, but I ran out of air. Ran out of breath. I can't hit the notch of my voice just like that super quick. I gotta build it up, otherwise my throat is already really sore because I've been riding for hours and talking for hours, especially doing the ride and review anime series, which takes up a lot of them, a lot of them voice molecules. Oh, we got a cheek up. Oh, sir! Traffic light. I was describing the girl next to me as an object. They really gotta finish construction up in this, so I hate this. I swear, if they make this into another lane, oh my god, people are gonna act like fools up in here. I swear if they do that, this is just gonna be insane. I really hope they don't though, because I use this to make U-turns. I really hope they don't do that. That's really gonna be heading up my my style and ruining things, man. It's really gonna be ruining things, Ferrari. The hatchback, I ain't about that life, homie. Not yet, even if it's a supercar. Ain't about that life, homie. Muy bien, delicioso, homie. Delicioso, homie. Man, we haven't seen any riders up in this hole today. I can't decide where to go home from. Where we came from, it might be wet there still. To go after that Maserati because I know he's gonna speed and clown, and we didn't get a chance to really show him that he ain't nothing in front of us, homie, and these people will be woken. All that for? Just to get another red light? That's not the Maserati, that's just some stupid white car. I swear if someone tries walking again, I'm gonna flip a biscuit up my Triscuit. Sir? Ferrari. Oh, it's one of them new hoes too. It's one of the new hoes. We'll see the new ones a lot. I believe that one's replacing like the 488 or 458 or any one of those. Alright, that was a big waste. Alright, I'm gonna head home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Another Ferrari, California, and a Hellcat. That one's a Hellcat, right? No, it's not a Hellcat. It just has some other emblem on there. But yeah, so I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm starting another video for me heading home. Or actually, it's not gonna be a video. I'm just gonna head home. And remember to subscribe only because I love you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to find something, trying to clown on somebody. But today's a very, very cold day, so a lot of people will be clowning at home. They don't want to come out on the street, so it's cool. We're gonna head on home. It's been a long day, and I got other stuff that I want to do, other stuff I gotta attend to. So until next time, this is your boy Riding and Saying, and I'm out. Peace.